Hello, RAD dealers, end users, and prospects. Today, I want to introduce a tool to you that's super easy to use, but will help you visualize the use of RAD systems and devices in your facility for both facility management assistance and security enhancement. The name of the application is the RAD Device Placement System. It's easy to use. It's available on both iOS and Android. And using it, you can put RAD images or RAD devices in real-life settings in order to help visualize what the devices will look like. In the case of dealers and business development managers, it allows you to create stunning presentations where your customers will be able to visualize what the devices will look like. For end users, it'll allow you to help visualize how the devices will look in their actual space, depending if you're concerned about aesthetics or you just want to see how it will look after it's implemented. So guys, it's a cool tool. I hope you really enjoy it. Please share your comments and let's work together to continue transforming our security industry. Thank you.